When you think of a mango tree, you probably picture the sweet, juicy fruit. But did you know the leaves are just as remarkable? For centuries, traditional medicine has prized mango leaves for their healing properties, yet most of us toss them aside. In our search for exotic superfoods, we often overlook the powerful remedies growing right in our own backyards. Mango leaves are packed with plant compounds, vitamins and minerals that support your health in surprising ways. Imagine brewing a simple tea that calms your mind, balances blood sugar, and protects your cells. This isn't just folklore. Modern science is now confirming what ancient wisdom has long known. Researchers are uncovering the potent benefits of mango leaves, revealing them as a true natural medicine. Today, we'll explore the science and tradition behind this humble leaf and how it can transform your wellness routine. It's time to see mango leaves not as garden waste, but as a gift from nature, ready to boost your health from the inside out. Let's discover the secret superfood hidden in the majestic mango tree. In our stressful world, anxiety is everywhere. Before turning to pharmaceuticals, consider what nature offers. Mango leaves have been used for generations as a gentle sedative, helping to soothe nerves and promote tranquility. Sipping a warm mango leaf tea can be a calming ritual, easing tension in both mind and body. The unique compounds in these leaves help modulate your body's stress response, gently dialing down anxiety. This isn't about numbing your feelings, but supporting your system to restore balance. Traditional practices even include adding mango leaves to bath water for a therapeutic, anxiety-relieving soak. The warmth releases beneficial compounds, creating a grounding, full-body experience. Mango leaves act as mild central nervous system depressants, not in a negative way, but by quieting excessive neural activity. This can reduce symptoms like a racing heart and persistent worrying. By incorporating mango leaf tea or extracts into your routine, you gain a natural tool for peace and clarity. It's a simple, ancient practice with real value for modern mental well-being. Let mango leaves help you navigate life's challenges with a calmer mind. What makes mango leaves so effective for anxiety? The answer is mangiferin, a powerful polyphenol. Mangiferin is a xanthone with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, but it also directly impacts the brain. Studies show mangiferin can balance neurotransmitters, supporting relaxation and well-being without harsh side effects. It helps turn down the brain's alarm system, promoting calm. Chronic stress causes oxidative damage in the brain, but mangiferin's antioxidant power protects your brain cells. This not only helps manage anxiety now, but also supports long-term brain health. Mangiferin's multi-pronged approach, regulating neurotransmitters, reducing inflammation, and shielding against oxidative stress, makes mango leaves uniquely effective. Natural remedies like mango leaves work with your body, restoring balance holistically. The calming effect of mango leaf tea is more than tradition. It's backed by science. Embrace this natural anxiolytic for a healthier, more resilient mind. Mango leaves offer a gentle, effective way to support your mental wellness. Discover the science behind this ancient remedy. High blood pressure is a silent threat, but mango leaves offer a natural way to support heart health. Used for generations, mango leaves help lower blood pressure and strengthen blood vessels. Modern research confirms their hypotensive properties, working through several mechanisms. Mango leaves improve blood vessel elasticity, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing arterial pressure. Their compounds prevent hardening of arteries and promote vasodilation, relaxing and widening blood vessels. This gentle effect helps maintain healthy vascular tone and reduces strain on your heart. Mango leaves also act as a mild diuretic, helping your body eliminate excess sodium and water. By reducing fluid retention, they further lower blood pressure naturally. This multifaceted approach makes mango leaves a powerful ally for cardiovascular wellness. A simple cup of mango leaf tea can be a proactive step for your heart. Embrace this natural remedy for long-term blood pressure support. Consistent use of mango leaves can be a cornerstone in protecting against hypertension. Rich in tannins and anthocyanins, they fortify blood vessels and capillaries, making them more resilient. Mangiferin's anti-inflammatory power helps maintain smooth arterial linings, essential for healthy blood flow. Mango leaves don't just lower blood pressure temporarily, they heal and protect your cardiovascular system. For those at risk, a daily cup of mango leaf tea can be a simple, effective preventative measure. This ritual delivers protective compounds that regulate pressure and reduce heart strain. It's an easy step with profound long-term benefits. By embracing mango leaves, you invest in your heart's resilience and longevity. Build a natural defense against hypertension with this time-tested remedy. Your cardiovascular health deserves this simple, powerful support. Diabetes is a global epidemic, but mango leaves offer natural support for blood sugar control. Used in Ayurveda, mango leaves improve insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose absorption. They smooth out blood sugar spikes, reducing the risk of complications. Key compounds like mangiferin and 3-beta-taraxerol stimulate insulin secretion and glucose uptake. This means better control and potentially less reliance on medication. The traditional method: soak leaves overnight and drink the infused water in the morning. Science now confirms this simple practice can help manage diabetes naturally. Mango leaves help balance blood sugar through several smart mechanisms. They inhibit alpha-glucosidase, an enzyme that breaks down carbs into sugar, slowing sugar absorption. This prevents sharp glucose spikes after meals, giving your body time to respond. Mango leaves also improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells absorb glucose more efficiently. Mangiferin enhances cellular signaling, reversing insulin resistance. The leaves' antioxidants protect pancreatic beta cells, supporting insulin production. This comprehensive approach, slowing sugar absorption, improving sensitivity, and protecting the pancreas, makes mango leaves a potent tool. Their effects are similar to some diabetes medications, but plant-based and gentle. Stable blood sugar means less risk of complications and better energy. Mango leaves offer a natural, multi-targeted way to support healthy glucose levels. Add them to your routine for balanced blood sugar and improved metabolic health. Struggling with weight? Mango leaves can help by targeting fat metabolism and appetite. They inhibit adipogenesis, slowing the creation of new fat cells. Mango leaves also regulate leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, helping control appetite. Improved leptin sensitivity means less overeating and better calorie control. The leaves boost fat breakdown, encouraging your body to burn stored fat for energy. Combined with their blood sugar benefits, mango leaves support a leaner body composition. They're not a magic bullet, but a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Use mango leaves to enhance your weight management efforts naturally. Support your metabolism and appetite with this simple plant-based remedy. Let mango leaves be your ally on the journey to a healthier weight. Early research suggests mango leaves may help protect against cancer at the cellular level. Their antioxidants, especially mangiferin, neutralize free radicals that can damage DNA and trigger cancer. Mangiferin can induce apoptosis, programmed cell death in cancer cells, sparing healthy ones. It also inhibits angiogenesis, blocking tumors from growing new blood vessels. While not a cure, mango leaves may be a powerful preventative and supportive therapy. They reduce oxidative stress, fight inflammation, and help the body defend against abnormal cell growth. Always use them as a complement to, not a replacement for, medical treatment. Incorporate mango leaves into a plant-rich diet for long-term cellular health. Nature's pharmacy offers layered protection. Mango leaves are a wise addition. Ready to try mango leaves? It's easy. The most common method is tea. Boil 10–15 fresh or dried leaves in 2 cups of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm or let it cool. For best results, let the infusion sit overnight and drink it in the morning. The taste is mild. Add lemon or honey if you like, but plain is best for blood sugar. No mango tree? Buy dried leaves or powder online or at health stores. Add the powder to smoothies, yogurt, or warm water. Start with half a teaspoon daily. Always choose high-quality organic sources. For skin and relaxation, add boiled leaves to your bathwater for a soothing soak. Whether you drink it, eat it, or bathe in it, mango leaves are a practical way to boost your health. Make this simple ritual part of your daily routine. Experience the benefits of this natural superfood firsthand. Mango leaves show us the healing power of nature is often right at our fingertips. From anxiety relief to blood sugar control, this single leaf offers a spectrum of benefits. Mango leaves work holistically, supporting multiple systems for overall balance. Always consult your doctor before adding new herbs, especially if you have health conditions or take medication. Use mango leaves as a complement to, not a replacement for, professional care. Embrace ancient remedies like mango leaf tea as part of a modern, healthy lifestyle. Next time you see a mango tree, remember the power in its leaves. Nature's pharmacy is open. Discover its gifts for a healthier, more balanced life.